In this video, I'll show you how to make a PowerPoint presentation on WPS Office using your mobile phone. First, open the WPS Office app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on the plus button. Now, select Presentation to create a new PPT file. You can choose a blank presentation or select a template to get started. After opening the presentation, tap on the title box and type your presentation title. To add a new slide, tap on the plus icon or New Slide option at the bottom. Now you can add text, pictures, shapes, or other elements to your slides. To insert a picture, tap on Pictures and choose an image from your gallery. You can resize or move the image by dragging it with your fingers. To add text, tap on Text box at the bottom. You can also change the font size, color, and style from the editing toolbar. Once your presentation is complete, tap on the Save icon and choose the location where you want to save the file. That's it. This is how you can make a PPT presentation in WPS Office on your mobile phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.